Okay, so today we are going to fix this battery pack ninetec with 120 gigabyte storage capacity inside. I got it new. It had defective lithium cells, so I decided just to remove it, and I bought from Temu the cheap, like $15-16 spot welder, portable spot welder with battery, and I did the repair. Also, I am going to publish video where I am building other battery pack with cells, but I'm now testing some of the cells to see if I have something that's close to 3000 milliampere hours and closing capacity. So now I have 3D printed the reference tool for next jobs. For now, I did it with this dodgy way, 2 by 2. Then I added others. So it's straightforward process. I'm checking if batteries are on same voltage. They were in storage for half a year and they are pretty good because charging capacity was at a healthy level. So only problem with reused batteries is metal parts that are left behind from old strips. They can interfere with this new strip, and sometimes contact will not be established, and there will be like hole made with this spot welder. So now I'm going to leave you to watch this repair process, and I will tune in when there will be, or when there is a need for my intervention and my talking. So see you soon. Okay, so now I'm adding insulation. I could add like fish paper, I think it's called like that, but I don't have anything at hand right now. And I'm just going to add Kapton tape and it should do the job. Now these spot welds are of high quality. For the money that I paid for this tool, I am really impressed. I spent probably $100 buying different spot welders and modules and so on, but they broke really fast. They break really fast, and I did not have any luck with them. So I probably broke like 5 modules while attempting to repair it, and there is a big risk when building it with microwave transformer because you can kill yourself with it. But with this portable spot welder, it's relatively safe and easy to work, so I'm really impressed with possibilities of this $15 spot welder. Possibilities to repair things and to make money with it also. Of course, we need to be responsible while repairing these things. We cannot afford messing something. So now I'm going to do some cable management, and then I'm going later on to add high temperature silicone just to make everything be fixed in place. Other thing that is important, because this battery pack used micro USB, I decided to install USB-C port instead of micro USB because I don't want to have a micro USB cable in my bag. There is not enough place or space for this cable. I want to only have one USB cable and to use it on everything. So I installed USB-C. I have connected plus and minus module and also data plus and data minus. That process was also recorded, but it was done previously, like 4 months before. And in these 4 months, I was trying to build this spot welder with different solutions, but every time some accident happens and the module just burns out some components on it. So the video is deleted of me replacing the port, but at least you'll have this video of me repairing the battery pack. Okay, so see you in a little bit. Okay, so now everything is repaired. I am testing how it's going to fit. There is some residual trash inside from original packaging, and I'm removing it, and we are now going to later integrate it. Now I did not record me putting the black silicone on this board, so I am going to do it off the camera, or let's say call it I did it off the camera. At the beginning of the video you are able to see that the battery pack has like this red cover. I had to 3D print that cover because I broke original one made from plexiglass. So there was a little bit of 3D printing applied while fixing this battery pack. Now I fixed this battery pack for myself. I'm not going to sell it. I find it useful to have battery pack and 128 gigabytes of storage. Not so much in our day and age, but it's good enough. So I'm going to use it for myself. I already charged it and discharged it, and it works fine. So that will be it for this video. Main part is done, batteries are spot welded, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Best regards.